Hello. So this little short video is on coordinate graphing. So when we talked about line graphing on a line graph, a number line, we only were graphing left to right where that center point is 0. But now we're going to graph in a two-way system. It's called coordinate graphing. The co means with, so it means that two variables are working together, and those variables, we usually call them X and Y. And this is called a coordinate point. And the X right here is your left and right movement. It goes back and forth, left and right. This is your X axis. And this is your Y axis up here. Your Y axis goes up and down. Okay. So your point of reference that you always start from is from this center point right here. And that coordinate is 0, 0, where X is 0 and Y is 0. That also has a special name called the origin. And then you have the scaling that tells you how to read your x-axis and the scaling that tells you how to read your y-axis. But on your x-axis, it's just like a number line where everything to the right of this 0, 0 origin is positive for X. So everything over here is X is positive, and then everything up above is positive for Y. So all coordinate points in this quadrant is called, they're both positive. So you can see that when we cross the two axes together, we have 4 squares, and these are called quadrants, Q-U-A-D-R-A-N-T-S. And this is quadrant 1, and they actually go counterclockwise. So this is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3, quad meaning 4. And this is quadrant 4. In Roman numerals, it's I. So this is quadrant 4. Now, if you go to the left on the number line, all of your X values are negative over here. But if you go over and then up on the Y is still positive. So they're opposite signs on this quadrant 2. If you look at quadrant 3, your X is negative because you went to the left, and then you're going down on your Y. So they're actually both negative in quadrant 3. And then in quadrant 4, again, your X is again positive, but your Y is now negative. So if you were to plot the point 5, 2, that means you're going to the right 5, and then you're going to go up 2 for Y. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to go up 2, 1, 2. So 5 and 2 would be the point 5, 2. If you were going to plot the point 0, -3, then X is at 0. So you're right here, you're not going left or right. And then you're going to go down 3. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3 down to -3. X is at 0, and there's that point. If you have any questions with your coordinate graphing, reach out and we can set up a Zoom session.